Hello everyone, good day. I am Angel Kim Esquizon and I am a BS Ed Math 3 student. And welcome to the problem solving mathematical investigation and modeling subject. So for this video, I will be presenting you about geometry, specifically the volume. But first, let us define what geometry and volume is. Geometry. So when we say geometry, it is a branch of mathematics that deals with the measurement, properties, and relationships of points, lines, angles, surfaces, and solids. So it is the study of properties of given elements that remain invariant under specified transformations. And when we say volume, so volume is a scalar quantity expressing the amount of three-dimensional space enclosed by a closed surface. So these are the definition of geometry and the volume. Now let's proceed to the some problems. So I will be presenting you problems related to the volume. So first, we have a foot-tall planter box has a base that is 6 feet long and 4 feet wide. So how many cubic feet of soil does it take to fill the planter box to the top? So for the solution, we have step 1, we will identify the length, width, and height of the planter as a given in the problem. So we will find the given first. So we will have the length, we have 6 feet, the width, we have 4 feet, and the height, we have 2 feet. So step 2. Therefore, the volume of the box is the product of its three dimensions. Since the planter box is a rectangular shape, so we will use the formula of the volume for the rectangular shape. So the formula of the volume for rectangular shape is equals to V equals to length times width times height. Then we substitute the given. So we have length is equals to 6 feet times to 4 feet, which is the width, and times to the height, which is 2 feet. So if we multiply 6 times 4 times 2, we will get the answer of 48. So the answer is 48 cubic feet. Now for the problem number 2. The tallest cylindrical aquarium in the world is located in Moscow. So its height is 66.6 feet deep and has a diameter of 19.8 feet. Now find the volume of the tank. So solution. Step 1. Again, we will identify the given of the problem. So the given are D, which is the diameter, is 19.8 feet and the height is 66.6 feet. Now for the step 2 is we will use the formula. And since the shape is a cylinder, so we will use the formula for the volume of cylinder. And its formula is V is equals to pi times r squared, which is radius squared, times the height. Now, we will substitute for the given. So, we have pi, which is equals to 3.14 times the radius squared. Now, the question is, we don't have a given for the radius, but we have the diameter instead of radius. Now, to find the radius, we will just divide the diameter into 2. So, 19 divided by 8 is equals to 9.9. So, radius squared is equals to 9.9 squared times 66.6 feet, which is the height. So 3.14 times 98.01, this is the answer for the 9.9 squared, times 66.6 feet, which is the height. So we got the 3.14 times the 6,527.466. So we will multiply it to the 3.14, so we will get the answer of 20,496.243 feet cubed. So this will be the answer for the problem number 2. So that would be all for the problem related to the volume. And again, this is Angel Kim Esquizon saying thank you and have a nice day.